Have you ever wondered if you're using nutmeg the right way? This tiny spice holds a big flavor, but a single misstep can turn your dish from delicious to downright disappointing. It's a kitchen staple for a reason, showing up in everything from creamy bechamel to festive eggnog. But while it's versatile, it's also powerful, and that's where most people go wrong. Today, we're diving into the common mistakes to avoid so you can master this incredible spice. First up, the most common error, using too much. A little nutmeg goes a very long way. We're talking a pinch, a quarter teaspoon at most for a large recipe. The flavor is warm, nutty, and slightly sweet, but in excess, it becomes overpowering, acrid, and even bitter. It can easily dominate a dish, masking all the other subtle flavors you've worked so hard to build. So, when in doubt, start with less. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. Mistake number 2, ignoring the power of fresh. Ground nutmeg from a jar is convenient, but it loses its potency quickly. The oils that carry that signature aroma and taste evaporate over time, leaving you with a dull, sawdust-like powder. The real magic happens when you grate a whole nutmeg yourself. A simple microplane or grater is all you need. The difference in aroma and flavor is night and day. It's more vibrant, more aromatic, and truly transforms a dish. Think of it like coffee. Pre-ground is fine, but freshly ground is exceptional. The third mistake is adding it too early. Nutmeg is a delicate spice, and its flavor can diminish or change with prolonged high heat. For cooked dishes like sauces, soups, or stews, it's best to add it in the final stages of cooking. This allows its full flavor to shine through without being cooked off. For baked goods, adding it with the dry ingredients is standard, but for something like a warm beverage or a final garnish, a sprinkle right before serving is the perfect touch. Finally, let's talk about pairing. Nutmeg is a team player, but it has specific friends. A common mistake is using it without considering the other flavors. It pairs beautifully with dairy, like in cream sauces and custards. It complements savory flavors in root vegetable mashes, and it's a classic partner for spices like cinnamon and cloves in desserts. But throwing it into a dish where it doesn't belong can make the flavor profile confusing. So, think before you sprinkle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.